So that's recording. So, look everyone, I'm just going to go through some basics about using the website. So I start off and I just log in. So I'm going to log in as myself. So you just scroll down to the login section on the site and log in there. No. So this is going to log me in. So what I'm going to do today is just create a very simple story. So I'll show you how to do that. So the easiest thing, you create content. So basically in this option you have lots of different options. So you can create an event, a newsletter, a page, a panel, a poll, a story, or web form. So 99% of the time what you need to be creating is a story or a page. So this is the example of how to create a story. So basically you want to update the site and put in a story. Okay, so click story. So what you got is you have to give it a title. So that's straightforward enough. So I'm going to say demo story. You have an option here for tags. Basically tags allow you to categorize information and make it easier for people to search for different things. So I set up tags already. So there's a tag for Joy, for example, and basically any information that's tagged with Joy, as well as appearing on the front page, can also appear in the Joy page. So I'm going to try this. So if I start typing in J, and you see there's a tag for Joy. There's also tags for Triathlon, so I'm going to try that one. So clicking that. So basically this information not only will display on the front page of the site but also in the Joy section, Triathlon section. So here this is your main area for adding text. So I'm going to type something in here. This is the test option. Now a lot of the time what you might get is someone will send you a Word document or you have the information in a Word document. So if you have that format, you just want to copy from the Word document and paste it in. So there is an option to do that. So what I'll do is just open a random Word document that I have and just show you how to do that. So I'll just do start, programs, and open Word 2003. So I have a DC best practice, so as if I'm going to put this in. So I'm just going to copy and paste this in. So it's next to here, Control, copy. I'll switch back to the internet. And see you have an option here which is a little icon tells you to paste some words. So I'd recommend using this. So I've clicked that and you just paste in your information. Control V and then insert. So there you go, information is put in. Again, you can highlight some of this information and make it bold or italicized, and you can use these different formatting options. You can make it larger or smaller as you see fit. There's also lots of different other options, so you can cut and paste, you can insert from a text box or a Word. Some other ones you can create links, so if you want to create a link to a Word you can do that. You can put in anchors, you can insert images, so I'll show you all how to do that as well. This is an important one, the image one. The other thing we can do is if you have a very large document and you don't want to display part of it, you can actually decide where to cut it off, so that basically a person will get it, will show the first 4 lines or 5 lines, whatever they want, and after that they'll have to click the read and more button. So I'm going to add in more information and then just cut it off. So for example, I'm going to add this information here. So I don't want all this information to appear on the web page because it's probably too much. So Control-V, insert. And now what I'm going to do is break the page here. So there's a little tool here to do that, and it's actually this one here. So there's a page break inserted. The other thing most people want to do is probably add an image, so I can show you how to do that. So again, if you scroll down, and you have an option for a file attachment. So I'm going to attach an image. So I'm just going to go to browse Limerick try, and then I'm going to attach an image. Okay, and that's been attached. So what you're going to do then is select where that image is. I'm going to untick the list because I don't think we need to list it. And I'm going to add the image here above the page break. So I'm going to add here. Here. So I click on the image button. It asks me where it is. I've already copied that, and then I'm going to say logo. Again, the appearance, you can change the appearance of it. 306, 168 is not too large. I might make it a bit smaller, 250. This should update as well. These are different options here, but what we have is fine. Just insert that. So there's your image. You can look at properties again. Edit image. Appearance. You can say whether you want it left, right. So we could say right. Update. So there it's on the right hand side. So now I'm just going to go through. So input format, by default it should be in full, so you won't need to change that. URL path settings, you can give it a URL path, so you can give it a name. So like a demo. So basically, if I wanted, I could search for this page by, or I could get to this page directly by typing www.limericktriathlon.com/Drupal/demo. Publishing options is important. Published means it's published. A promoted front page means it appears on the front page. So I'm just going to save this, and basically what I would say is it appears on the front page, and because I tagged it with Joey and I tagged it with Triathlon, it'll appear on both those pages as well. So I'll just press save. Okay, and so we'll go back to the main page. So there it is. That's the way picture here, and then you read more for the rest of the information. And also, what you also have here is, if we look at, I'm clicking here the Duathlon tag. So the Duathlon information, demo story is gone there. It's also gone in the Joey. Okay, so that's just an introduction to that. So hopefully that you'll find that useful. So one thing I'll show you here as well for the Duathlon. If you want to edit the node, you can just click here and edit node. This allows you to change this information here. Okay, so you can go in and make any changes you want. So I'll just save that. Okay, so that's the demo. Hopefully that was not too painful. Okay.